to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Cameron, and today, as you can tell by the title of today's video, today I'm doing another college day in my life. Today is actually a very special day because not only is today the first day of a new month, today is October 1st, but today is also a Friday, which means no classes. I get to relax today, and also today kind of marks the start of the homecoming festivities at my school. Tonight is the annual bonfire that they have for homecoming. It's at 9 o'clock tonight. Very excited because obviously with the pandemic last year we couldn't do it, so the last time I did it was my freshman year, but I'm very excited to do it with my friends this year. And then there's just a couple of things on my to-do list that I want to get done throughout the day because I have a free day today. I don't have any homework due, I don't have any classes, no meetings, so I really have the freedom today to get everything that I've wanted to get done that's not related to school. So I'm going to take you guys on my day today, trying to get back into my vlogging game. This past week especially has been crazy with just like assignments and getting stuff together, but I'm so excited to get back into my routine of making vlogs, and you guys love watching them too, so that's also a plus. So yeah, it is currently 9:36. I normally wake up at 8, but I decided today that I'm going to sleep in and kind of roll out of bed whenever I want. So I'm going to get into some clothes for today. Today is actually going to be a high of like 85 degrees, surprisingly. We are still kind of in the summer mode, which is really, really interesting. So I'm going to find a nice warm outfit to wear, and then I'm going to start doing my laundry. That is to-do list number 1, just so I can get that done out of the way and I don't have to worry about it this weekend. So without further ado, let's get dressed and do my laundry.
Me free. Before I met you, I was tied up in knots that I made up in my head. And you found me just in time. Cut me loose from the ties, got me out of my mind.
got the orange chicken, we have some fruit, we have
an ice cream sandwich. We have strawberry lemonade, some utensils, and then Lisette has her food there with her Starbucks, and we're here, and this is a nice view.
Before I met you, I was tied up in knots that I made up in my head. And then you found me just in time. Cut me loose from the ties, got me out of my mind. Everything you do sets me free. Before I met you, I was tied up in knots that I made up in my head.
I'm here to update you guys on my day so far. So from what you've saw so far, Lisette and I, we went to the Union after I did my laundry. She got off work at 12:30, and we went to the koi pond to take some pictures. Then we went to the Union to get lunch. Today they were serving orange chicken and rice, which was really, really good. And we went to Starbucks and we sat out in the patio area, chatted, did homework, hung out. And then we went back to the apartment to drop off our books. And then we went out to do a couple of things. We went to go, I got a car wash because my car was dirty. And then we went to Target and we did some shopping, and I actually placed a online order because there were a couple groceries and stuff that I needed to get from my room, so I got that. And then after we picked up my mobile order, we went in Target and like inside the store and did some shopping, and Lisette got some stuff for her room. And we actually just got back from doing all of that. It is now 4:51. Lisette is actually going to go to the homecoming soccer game, and I'm just going to stay behind here and kind of chill, regroup from the day, kind of relax, because the homecoming bonfire is tonight at 9 o'clock, and I'm very, very excited. I will be vlogging that and taking some pictures, but for now, kind of have a couple hours to kind of relax and kind of get ready for that. I'm very excited because they're doing s'mores and they're doing fireworks this year, just like my freshman year, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to go and enjoy all that. So I'm going to update you guys when we go do that. Also, I just wanted to enjoy the moment, and I completely forgot to get my camera out when we went to go to get a car wash as well as go to Target, but I'll insert a TikTok that I filmed of my Target trip here so you guys can enjoy that. And yeah, I'll update you guys when I'm getting ready to go to the bonfire. I forgot to show you guys everything that I got from Target. So this is everything that I picked up. First and foremost, I got a pack of these crew socks in these like neutral colors. There's like a white, cream color, oatmeal, and then like a brown color in there. Perfect for fall, perfect for when I wear my boots with my sweaters, and it's in this nice waffle material. And then I got two packs of face masks because my other one shrunk in the wash, and I just have this blue and I think it's like a dark blue and light blue color here, and then I have this red and white one here, and they both are adjustable, which is really nice. Then I got another scent pebble in my favorite scent. It's the sparkling amber and rose scent. Very, very good because I almost ran out today when I did my laundry. I got 2 boxes of tissues because it's hay fever season and my nose gets really stuffy this time of the year, so I just got 2 just to be stocked, and it has cooling lotion on there, which is good. And then I got this 3-pack of risers that I saw in the dollar section, which I thought was cool to put like here to rise like some of my stuff over there. And then I got 2 of the Celsius drinks. I was actually recommended by a TikToker to try these. They are just sparkling flavored drinks, and I thought I'd try them out. I really wanted to get the watermelon one, but they were all sold out, so I just got the kiwi guava and the Fiji apple flavor. I'm gonna put those in my mini fridge, and I can't wait to try those. Those look good. And then I got this emergency tech kit that I think will just sit in my either my backpack or my purse. Not exactly sure yet, but it just has like a little cloth, little cleaner, spray, little charging cable, and cable wrap. So I thought that was cool to put like in my purse. And then I got this can cooler. I got 2 of them to keep like my Dr. Pepper, because all the time when I have like cold cans and I put them on my thing, it leaves like a watermark on my mini fridge, so these will be nice for that. And then I got this nice little handbag that kind of matches with my backpack, because I've been using this like Disney internship bag that I got from my internship, but it's starting to kind of break down on me and it's not in the thickest material, so I'm going to put everything in there and here, and this will be my nice little carry around bag that I'll carry with me when I go across campus and everything. So very excited about that. But yeah, that is everything that I got from Target. Very, very exciting stuff.